Welcome to EliteAutoRides. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on the 2025 Mahindra XUV700, a mid-sized SUV that has recently received several noteworthy enhancements. One of the most significant updates for the 2025 model is the introduction of a new black interior trim as standard, replacing the previous white upholstery. This change addresses customer feedback and offers a more practical and aesthetically pleasing cabin environment. Additionally, the AX7L variant now includes features previously exclusive to the Black Edition, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ventilated front seats, and mirror memory functions. These upgrades enhance the overall driving experience and align the XUV700 with modern connectivity and comfort expectations. These enhancements come with the price adjustment. Both the entry-level AX7 and the flagship AX7L have seen a $3,000 increase, now priced at $39,990 and $42,990 drive-away, respectively. The Black Edition remains at $43,990 drive-away. It's also important to note that metallic paint, previously a no-cost option, now incurs a $495 premium. For those considering a purchase, Mahindra is offering a promotion between March 1 and April 30, 2025. During this period, all XUV700s come with 2 years, or 25,000 kilometers, of complimentary servicing, representing a $714 saving. Under the hood, the XUV700 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 149 kilowatts at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 380 Newton-meters of torque at 1,750 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, driving the front wheels. The SUV boasts a fuel economy of 8.3 liters/100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. In terms of dimensions, the XUV700 measures 4,695 millimeters in length, 1,890 millimeters in width, and 1,755 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,750 millimeters and a ground clearance of 196 millimeters. The tire mass varies slightly between variants, with the AX7 at 1,829 kilograms and the AX7L and Black Edition at 1,835 kilograms. Mahindra backs the XUV700 with a 7-year, 150,000 kilometers warranty, accompanied by 7 years of roadside assistance. Servicing is required every 12 months or 10,000 kilometers, with the 4-year capped price servicing plan totaling $1,781. Safety remains a priority, with standard features across all variants including 6 airbags, autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and a reversing camera. The AX7L variant adds a blind spot view monitor, surround view camera, knee airbag, and adaptive cruise control with stop-go functionality. The AX7 variant comes equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, a panoramic sunroof, automatic LED headlights with high beam assist, fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, power folding exterior mirrors, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 6-speaker sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, black leatherette upholstery, a 6-way power driver's seat with memory, dual-zone climate control, third-row air conditioning, and keyless start. The AX7L adds a 12-speaker sound system, mirror memory, ventilated front seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an electronic park brake, telescopic steering wheel adjustment, illuminated vanity mirrors, electric smart door handles, and a wireless phone charger. The Black Edition features 18-inch black alloys, a black grille, black interior upholstery, and dark chrome interior accents. Color options for the XUV700 include Everest White, Midnight Black, Dazzling Silver, Red Rage, Electric Blue, and Napoli Black. exclusive to the Black Edition. As mentioned earlier, metallic paint now requires an additional $495. Looking ahead, Mahindra has patented a new headlight design, likely for the upcoming electric version of the XUV700. This design features dual C-shaped housings with ice cube LED lights, indicating a modern and futuristic aesthetic. The electric variant, expected to be named XUV.E8, will be based on the advanced Glow platform, with base variants equipped with a 60 kWh battery pack and higher variants featuring an 80 kWh battery and dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. The anticipated range is between 400 to 450 kilometers. In February 2025, Mahindra offered significant discounts on the XUV700, with reductions up to a superscript 11 lakh on the 8X7 variant. The base MX trim saw discounts up to a superscript 160,000, and the 8X3 variant had discounts up to a superscript 150,000. These offers were primarily on the 2024 models, aiming to provide customers with more value. In summary, the 2025 Mahindra XUV700 brings a host of updates, from interior enhancements and tech upgrades to safety features and promotional offers. With the upcoming electric variant on the horizon, Mahindra continues to innovate and cater to the evolving needs of SUV enthusiasts. Thank you for tuning into EliteAutoRides. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.